Assalamualaikum guys. Hello. Good morning. Today is Thursday, 29 of April 2026. After I did some works at school, I go walking here as usual, and one of my favorite spots for walking and jogging in Pooncareya. And I think it's 7:30 or more, almost 8 a.m. A little bit late, but it's okay. I was thinking about whether I go walking or just sitting in front of the laptop. So I choose or decide decision this morning. Like, I have already wearing my sport outfit, the hijab, the orange skirt, and then the a trouser. How do we say? Yeah, trouser. There's no training. Because when we say trainers, it means shoes, right, guys? So it's other meaning of the vocabulary. So the color of my outfit today, black and orange, and so I decide walking rather than sitting in front of my laptop, because I have already done sitting for several minutes. So this morning I already said to myself that I need to go to do the sport. I need to go walking. So I went today. I choose walking rather than sitting in front of my laptop, because I have some editing that I need to do, but I can do it later. But walking, when again I do sport like this, maybe in the afternoon. Yeah, maybe again. Okay, I think. So the conclusion today, at the beginning of your day, you need to choose what's your goal in the morning or in a day. Like, you choose sitting in front of a laptop, or you walking, or do jogging, or running. Yeah, choose the best for you. Yeah, because you are the decision maker. Nobody else will do that for you. You are the creator of your own life, guys. Okay, that's all for today's vlog. I hope you stay healthy, guys. Everyone, stay healthy and stay positive. Yeah, see you again in another vlog or video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum. I really love the scenery today, because I can see sun, although I don't use sunscreen. I'm not wearing sunscreen today, only powder and lip mate, something, and eyebrow. That's it. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.